Casafa are the 2018 JFF Under-15 Girls Challenge Cup champions after defeating Clarendon 4-0 in the final played on Saturday at Draxall in St Anne. The new champions were led by a double from Chanel Buckley, with other goals coming from captain Latanya Burke and Edna Makukwa. In the playoff for third, St James hammered Portland 7-2, with Danique Wilson grabbing a hat-trick. The impressive Carison Lawrence got both goals for Portland. Now, Racing FC are the champions of the St Catherine Football Association Under-20 competition after beating Federal United 2-0 in the final of that competition recently. In the match played at the Spanish Town Prison Oval, St Catherine High School standout Markovich Brown opened the scoring in the 51st minute. That lead was doubled 16 minutes later when Malik Miller converted from the penalty spot in the 67th.
It was a game of 2 half. I think we start out the game, very impressive. But the thing is that we never put away the chances. We waited late in the second half, and then we get the go-ahead gear early. The early goal, kind of get the momentum going, and the changes them was awesome today.
To tell honest truth, I think after the first goal, which was caused by players stepping up, and they caught us in transition with our offside trap, and the goal scored. I think after that we started to slightly panic, and we wanted to get back the goal as quickly as possible, and that caused another goal to be scored, a penalty to be conceded, and it's just one of those days where things just went wrong.